Chapter 5 Multiplication and Division. Today, with the help of this video, we will discuss more about the division of large numbers and its properties. What is division? Division is repeated subtraction. As you can see the example, I have subtracted 7 from 35 to divide 35 by 7 till I have got 0. Division is also equal grouping or equal distribution of a given number or quantity. Let us understand the same with the help of example. I have 7 toffees. I want to share equally among 5 students. So here I have divided 37 toffees by 5 and I have got 7. It means each student will get 7 toffees. Now the 2 toffees are remain with me that are left. While dividing, we use certain terms. These terms are divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Now let us understand the meaning of these terms. Dividend. The number to be divided is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The answer in the division is called the quotient. The number that is left over is called the remainder. Children, in last class you learned how to divide a number consisting of 3 or 4 digits by a 1-digit number. In this class, you will learn the division of 4-digit number or a large number by a 2-digit number. The method remains the same. So, we will follow the 4 basic steps which are repeated until the remainder is 0 or less than the divisor. The steps are divide, multiply, subtract, bring down the next digit. Let us understand the same with the help of an example. Here I am going to divide 4936, that is dividend, by 16, that is a divisor. Step 1. We will divide the first digit of the dividend, that is 4, by the divisor, that is 16, and write the quotient on the top as I have done. Now the quotient from the step 1 is multiplied by the divisor. The result is placed under the dividend as I have placed 0 under 4. Third step. Now subtract the product obtained in step 2 from the dividend and write the result on the next line. This is remainder. So I have divided 49 by 16. I have got 3 as quotient, and when I multiply 16 into 3, that is 16 3s are 48. So 48 I will write under 49. Now I have subtracted 48 from 49 and I have got 1 as a remainder. So I have written under it. Now we will follow the 4th step. So we will bring down the next digit, that is 3. We will repeat these 4 steps until remainder is 0 or less than the divisor, or until there are no more digits to bring down. Remember, the dividend is the largest number when you divide, and the remainder is always smaller than the divisor. To understand these steps, we will solve one more example. Now, here the dividend is 3640 and the divisor is 15. So I will divide 3640 by 15. So step 1, we will divide 36 by 15. Here 15 into 3 does not go. So look at the next digit. 15 goes into 36 2 times. So put a 2 above the 6 and you will write 30 under 36. After subtracting 30 from 36, we have got the remainder 6. Now we will bring the next number, that is 4. Now the 6 became 64. Now we will divide 64 by 15. So It is 15 fours are 60, so we will write 60 under 64. Again, we have got the remainder 4. Now, what you will do? You will bring the next number, that is 0. Now, the 4 became 40. Now, we will divide 40 by 15. Again, it's 15 twos are 30. So, you will write 30 under 40 and 2 will be written at the top. Now, you can see we have got the remainder 10 and there is no number to bring down. So, here we will stop the division. So, we have obtained the quotient, that is 242. To learn all the tables is little bit difficult. To do so, you can form the table at side and do the division procedure. Properties make the fundamental operations easy. So, for division also, certain properties are there that can make it easy. So, let us understand these property. Property 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Here, I have divided 7542 by 1 and got the remainder, the number itself, that is 7542. Property 2. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1. Suppose I have divided 275 by 275, so I will get the quotient as 1. आप कभी भी अगर किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो आपको आंसर में 1 मिलेगा. Property 3. When 0 is divided by any number, the quotient is always 0. जब हम 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो हमें क्वोशिएंट में 0 ही मिलता है. जैसे मैंने 0 को 25 से डिवाइड किया तो मुझे क्वोशिएंट में 0 ही मिला. लेकिन यहाँ एक बात का ध्यान रखना है, डिवीज़न बाय 0 इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. मतलब आप 0 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर आप 0 से किसी नंबर को डिवाइड करेंगे तो दिस इज़ मीनिंगलेस. नाउ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीज़न इज़ to check the answer that you have obtained after division. This property means dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Let us understand the same with the help of example. So, let us learn how to check the answer of division. To check your division with multiplication, multiply the quotient of your division problem by the divisor and compare the result with the dividend. If the product and the dividend are equal, you did your problem correctly. If they are not equal, recheck your work. If you have a remainder, add it to your product. As you can see the example here, to find out the answer, I have done one division sum. I have divided 757 by 8 and I have obtained the quotient as 94. Now, to check whether my problem is correct or not, my solution is correct or not, I have multiplied 94, that is the quotient, by 8. And I have got the answer 752. Now, I have the remainder here, that is 5. So, I will add 5 to 752, that is equal to 757. That is the dividend. It means the solution I have done is correct. You can also do the correction in this way. आपको बस डिविज़र और क्वोशिएंट को मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अगर रिमाइंडर है तो ऐड करना है. ठीक है, जो आंसर आएगा वो आपका डिविडेंड के इक्वल होगा. दिस इज़ द वे हाउ टू चेक द प्रॉब्लम बाय योरसेल्फ ऑफ डिवीजन. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड सम मोर प्रॉपर्टीज. These properties are division by 10, 100 and 1000 or the numbers with 0 and 1. First of all, we will learn dividing a number by 10. I have explained the same with the help of example. Here I have divided 245 by 10. Now it is very easy to find out the answer without any calculation. How many zeros are there in 10? 1 0. So the last digit, as 1 0 is there, so the last digit, that is 5, is the remainder and the rest 2 digits are the quotient. So we can say on dividing a number by 10, the quotient is obtained by removing the ones digit from the number. The ones digit forms the remainder. Dividing a number by 100. On dividing a number by 100, the quotient is obtained by removing the tens and the ones digit from the number. The number formed by the removed tens and ones digit is the remainder. As you can see the example, again I have divided 245 by 100. As there are two zeros in 100, so the last digits that are ones and tens digit, it means 5 and 4. It means 45 is the remainder and 2 is left over, so 2 is the quotient. 100 में क्योंकि दो ज़ीरो होते हैं तो आप पीछे के दो नंबर जो होते हैं नंबर के वो आपका रिमाइंडर बन जाता है. जो डिविडेंड के लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स होते हैं वो आपका रिमाइंडर बन जाता है, वंस और टेंस प्लेस वाली डिजिट, और बाकी जो बचता है दैट इज़ द क्वोशिएंट. नाउ you will learn dividing a number by 1000. The procedure is same as there are 3 zeros in thousands. So the last 3 digits of the dividend will become the remainder and the rest of the digits will be the quotient. Let us see the example. Here I have divided 2459 by 1000. So the last 3 digits are 459. So it is the remainder and leftover digit, that is 2, is the quotient. So we can say on dividing a number by 1000, the quotient is obtained by removing the hundreds, tens and ones digit from the number. The number formed by the removing hundreds, tens and ones digit is the remainder. So children, you have learned the division of large numbers along with the properties and examples. So that's all for today. Thank you.